As we all know, kids love sweets, and a favorite in my house is baking. We bake all the time. So we created a slice and bake cookie set. And this set is really one of my favorites. It mimics almost precisely the exact action you do when using sort of slice and bake cookies. So here goes. Okay, we have our cookie tube. We open it up, and lo and behold, we have our cookies ready to be sliced. Then, right, a kid favorite, you take the knife and you actually slice apart your cookies. Just have a little representative group here. Okay, then we're going to put them on the cookie sheet, and they actually stick on the cookie sheet, and you have to use the proper side, which is fun. Makes it again like a puzzle, because sometimes you have to try a couple times. You put them on here. Then, I'm gonna put on my oven mitt. Perfect. So we're gonna put them into the oven, take them out. Oh, delicious hot cookies, but they need to be topped. So now we take our icing toppings, and they're all different kinds. We have sprinkles, we have chocolate icing, chocolate sprinkles, and you top them. And again, this sticks like magic on the top. So you top them to your liking. So once they're topped, ready to eat, cooled for a little while, you just spatula them off and serve them up fresh and hot right from the oven.